Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start math, chapter 6, geometry and maps. Straight and curved lines. Pick up skipping rope, hold it from both ends and stretch it tightly. Tightly means it is straight line. Loose the rope a little, curved line. This is a curved line. These are also curved lines many times. This is also in though it is in slanting way, but it is slanting line. Next, horizontal and vertical lines. A straight line from left to right. It is horizontal line. A straight line from the top to bottom. It is a vertical line. Drawing lines. A ruler or scale used to draw straight lines. We can also use it to measure lines that are already drawn. Now see curved lines. Compass, bangle, plate, bowl, frisson. Round or curved objects. That is curved. One thing, children. To draw curved line, we use a special instrument called compass. Curved lines can also be drawn using some round or curved objects or freehand. Now go to exercise 6.1. Write how many lines of different kinds of each pictures. A. Curved lines. How many curved lines are here? 1. Horizontal line 1. Vertical line 1. Here vertical line 2. Horizontal line 2. Slanting line 1. In this way, children, you complete it. Okay. Number 2, draw lines as directed using a ruler. Horizontal line, that means in this way. Vertical line this way. Slanting line in that way. Now shapes. A corner in a plane figures is point where two straight lines meet. Corner, corner, side. Side, corner, corner, side. A side is a straight line joining two corners points lying adjacent to each other. Joining. Diagonal. A diagonal is the line joining the opposite and non-adjacent corners of a straight-sided shape. In this way, diagonal. We already know about some basic 2D shapes. Let us quickly revise them. Square. It has 4 equal sides. It has 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 short and 2 long. Its opposite sides are equal. It has 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. 3 sides and 3 corners. It has no diagonal. Circle. It has no sides, corners or diagonals. Oval. It has no sides, corners and diagonals. It is like a flattened circle. Solids. A shape that has length, breadth and height called a solid, or dimensional or 3D shape. The face of a solid is flat surface. The edge of a solid is side where two faces meet. The vertex of a solid is point where two edges meet. Cube. It is a solid made up of 6 flat square shaped faces. Cube. It consists of 12 straight edges and 8 vertices. Children, you must learn it, because if it is MCQ question, then you have to learn this one. You will get answer from this side. Cuboid. It is a solid made up of 6 flat shapes, and the other 2 may be rectangular or square shape. The opposite faces of cuboid are equal. It consists of 12 straight edges and 8 vertices. Sphere. It is a solid made up of 1 curved face. It has no flat face. Cylinder. It is a solid made up of 2 flat faces and one curved, it has two curved edges, it has no vertex. Cone, it is a solid made up of one flat face and one curved face. It has one curved edge, one vertex. Now mental math, you learn this one. What is the shape of your classroom? Square or rectangular? Name any three objects in your classroom that are cuboid in shape and cylinder in shape. Do you now learn it? Thank you.